Some users want Windows that simply works every day. No sudden features, no background experiments. Tiny 10 LTSC 2026 edition keeps that promise alive. Long-term support until 2032, the latest updates, and zero bloat slowing things down. Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let's get started. Stock Windows 11 usually opens with a start menu packed with things most people never use. Pinned shortcuts appear automatically. Dozens of apps arrive pre-installed. Many cannot be removed without extra work. The result feels crowded from the first login. Now a look at Tiny 10 LTSC. The start menu starts empty. No pinned items, no bundled applications waiting in the background. Everything begins simple and clean. Now let's talk about disk space. A normal Windows 11 installation uses roughly 37 gigabytes before you add any programs. Your storage starts disappearing immediately. Tiny 10 LTSC takes a different route. The system occupies around 8.5 gigabytes, and that already includes security updates spanning 2018 through 2026. You get a fully updated platform without the massive footprint. Memory usage shows another clear difference. Stock Windows 11 idles around 2.9 gigabytes on a 4 gigabyte machine. Opening a single Chrome tab can already cause slowdowns. Tiny 10 LTSC starts close to 1 gigabyte after installation. If you want to push it even further, Velotic can help. Open Velotic Pro, go to Cleanup and enable AI-managed cleaning. Within seconds, memory usage drops to roughly 800 megabytes. The AI removes unnecessary overhead instead of adding new processes. Velotic is designed to optimize Windows for speed, stability, and control. Your PC speed shapes how you feel when you sit down to work or play. Velotic is not a cleaner, it is control. You turn it on, and your system stops fighting you. Games feel smoother, apps open faster, stutters disappear. Your PC stays fast every day, not just after a cleanup. Velotic tunes your CPU and GPU automatically, based on what you are doing. It removes junk before it slows you down. It kills hidden background drains in real time, without breaking Windows. You get 500+ professional tweaks. One-click debloat, no guessing. Instant app installs, no setup pain. Smart power control that shifts between performance and stability when you need it. You free massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay intact. Your system breathes again. This is not a temporary fix. This is the same approach used by people who depend on stable, fast machines every day. Built over 4 years, used by thousands, improved with every release. You install once, you stop thinking about performance forever. The basic plan starts at just $19.99 lifetime access. Velotic, for people who refuse to tolerate a slow PC. Now comes the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic. Go to the debloat page. Press play. The tool takes over from here. With a single click, your system reaches Tiny 11 level performance. No file loss, no broken features. Everything runs on your existing setup. If you want the full breakdown, tap the info button. You can also find the complete guide through the link in the description. Now let's examine CPU activity and background load. Stock Windows 11 runs around 145 processes, about 1,700 threads, and nearly 63,000 handles. Even while idle, the system remains busy. Tiny 10 LTSC cuts that significantly. Around 95 processes, roughly 940 threads, and about 33,000 handles. Essential functionality remains intact. Nothing important disappears. Your processor spends its time on the tasks you launch. Before moving to benchmarks, here is what makes this edition special. Tiny 10 LTSC includes modern security features with extended update support through 2026. You get a system that runs on a wide range of hardware while staying secure and supported. Now let's look at the baseline. On this hardware, stock Windows 11 scores 1,964 single-core and 4,635 multi-core. Heavy background services and reserved resources hold the system back. Now compare that with Tiny 10 LTSC. You might wonder why the comparison is with Windows 11 instead of Windows 10. Standard Windows 10 has already reached end of support, so comparing against Windows 11 shows the real performance difference without sacrificing updates. The operating system does less background work, allowing the hardware to do more. On the same machine, Tiny 10 LTSC scores 2,523 single-core and 6,867 multi-core. Same computer, much stronger results. Now let's look at Windows Defender. Tiny 10 LTSC leaves the decision to you. Defender stays disabled by default. Nothing runs until you activate it. If you want protection, enable it manually. Open the Configure toolbox, select Windows Defender, press Enable, and restart the system. Defender then loads completely with the real-time protection active. Next, let's talk about Windows updates. Updates remain paused by default. Nothing installs automatically unless it is a critical security fix. If you want full updates, open Settings, go to Updates, and resume them. Updates can also be disabled from the Configure app. However, this is not recommended if you plan to install the Microsoft Store on LTSC. If you want the store, guides for installing it on LTSC are easy to find online. Tiny 10 LTSC is designed for users who want speed, privacy, and control. No lag, no clutter, no unnecessary background processes. If you want consistent performance across almost any PC, this premium build delivers exactly that. You can find the clean installation guide for Tiny 10 in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is Harbor of Tech, sailing off.